Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Olens have released a new collection and this is called the Glowy Natural. If the name sounds familiar to you guys, it's because a year ago they released the Glowy collection, which actually features 3 different colors: ash grey, brown and black. However, with this natural one, they have only released 2 colors so far, and one is called Mocha Brown while the other one is called Latte Brown. Absolutely love the name because I do love my coffee. However, Mocha is actually spelled M-O-C-A, which is really interesting. But I can see how they try to name it differently so that it's less confusing for people. But again, I'll do comparisons for you guys as well in case you guys are interested how this natural one is very similar to the original Glowy collection. With this particular Glowy Natural, first of all, the diameter for this is actually 13.0, which is only 0.1 millimeter smaller than the Glowy collection. So if you put it on your eyes, you can't really see much of a difference, but it's definitely leaning much more towards the enlargement side. However, for me, I do love my 13.0 to like 13.2 millimeter. So for me, this is considered like a good size for me. Just imagine the original Glowy collection if you guys have tried it, and the Glowy collection, the original one, I'm gonna say original so you guys don't get confused. Those 3 colors are so beautiful, but they are very pigmented and very dark looking, if it makes sense, because of the border. It's very obvious that you're wearing contact lens, especially the crescent moon shape. You know, it's such a big thing, it still is now, to have that crescent moon shape. So the Glowy contact lens, I absolutely love it because of that. If you don't like that kind, you don't like how it's so dark and it's so obvious looking, imagine applying like this blur effect right above the contact lens. Or I just imagine like if you guys use Photoshop and you reduce the contrast or the blurriness a little bit, like the opaqueness, that's the one, the opaque one, yeah, and the layer thing, I don't know, I'm gonna put it here so you guys know what I mean. If you reduce it a little bit, you will get this Glowy Natural because you get every single thing, the same exact design. You get the crescent, you get the border, you get the colors, but it's just much more or less opaque. Yeah, that's how I see it. So I absolutely love this one because it's definitely way more natural looking, but also not removing the crescent moon, because the whole point of this design is the crescent moon. So the first color I want to mention is this Latte Brown here, and I have to say this Latte Brown reminds me of the Glowy Brown, and I'll put it side by side so you guys can see as well. With this Latte Brown, I feel like it has this combination of different brown color. You get this medium chocolate brown on the outer part for the border, and when you go on, you get that gold yellow crescent moon on the inside. When I do put it on my eyes, I felt like there's 3 different colors going on. It's because my original color is dark brown, and when I put this contact lens on, it really gives me a 2-3 tone color, which I absolutely love, and I love how beautiful it is. And I did mention in my Glowy original video that with this brown, when the sun shine on me, it just make the eyes glister, you know, it just looks so gorgeous. And this actually gives me the same effect as well, which I absolutely love, and it just looks very natural looking. I would say you can definitely use this without makeup and it just looks gorgeous. Next one is the one I have right now, and this is called Mocha Brown. I would say this is very similar to the black. The black original one, the black border, the dark outer part, is definitely very obvious, but because of how obvious it is, it really shows the beauty of the golden crescent moon, if that makes sense. So I did mention in that video, out of all those 3 colors, the black is definitely the most unique, and I absolutely love it because of that. And so I'm actually really happy they've released the natural version of this, because if you guys don't like how black it is, how dark looking it is, this will be it for you because of how natural it is. And I feel because this looks much more natural, you sort of see more of a medium chocolate brown rather than the black brown color when you do put this on. And I love how the more you look at it, you really see either a golden brown or a dark brown, and it just looks different every time you look at this contact lens. You know, whereas the Latte Brown, you just know it has 2-3 tones, right? But with this particular Mocha Brown one, every time I see it, I go, oh, is it golden brown? Oh, is it dark brown? Oh, what is it like? It just feels very unique for me, which I absolutely love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you guys will be trying this out. If you guys want me to review any other contact lens from Olens, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.